Hey guys, I want to show you a little bit of what we're working on today. We're doing some packing up of some orders. So I'll just do a very quick glimpse of what we have packed up. We have some cowgirl boots, some 80s cupcake toppers, some crayon garlands, some alligator banners, and that's some koala bears we just added, pizza garlands, train cupcake toppers, taco garlands, taco cupcake toppers. We have our 80s or kind of a neon roller skate cupcake toppers, train banners. Let's see. We have the little panda girl garland, fox cupcake toppers, paintbrush cupcake toppers, some pancake banners, some fish and bobber garlands, some more pancake banners, little frog garlands. We have our like nursing doctors banner, cowgirl banners, roller skate banners, lemon slice banners. What are these? Our Subway cupcake toppers, fire truck garlands, our boombox cupcake toppers, some paw prints. What else? Avocados, lollipops, panda bears again, some rubber duckies. I think these are monster truck. You can't really see it the way they're packaged. Some monster truck banners. What are these? Some rainbow banners, some pencils. We have some barns. Actually, this is a farm animal. Oh, I got a scratch on my hand. These are farm animal banner. And then we have the rainbow colored onesies. And I think let's see, I'm missing a couple things. We have the little bow tie die cuts. We have school bus cupcake toppers, trash can cupcake toppers. I think I covered it all. And this is just some rubber ducky die cuts. Oh, I forgot to mention our trash can cupcake toppers. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff that we have to pack up, and all of this stuff pretty much has to go today. So we've been working really hard. Thanks to my mom and my aunt and my grandmother. Giving a shout outs to my Aunt Terry and my grandmother and my mother, Cookie. So yeah, we've been working a lot, and we got to get all this stuff shipped out today and start working on the shipments for tomorrow. Oh, I forgot one thing. I'll have the little pig garlands right here. All right, guys, so I wanted to just give you an update on what I've been working on today. I got to get back to work so I can get these orders out so I can make sure my customers get their orders in time. And I will be back to show you guys a little later what else we've been working on for the rest of the week. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're interested in any of this stuff, please visit www.craftyq.com. The link is below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Take care.